With the fall here, that means more dogs are outside hunting, which increases the risk for Lyme disease. And there is a possibility that you can actually catch the disease too. Brody's standing by with Dr. Jen Klabunde from Northwood Animal Hospital to tell you how to keep deer ticks away from your pets.
That's right, Melissa. We have a couple guests with us. I'm holding this cute little kitten. If you watched last week, this is the only kitten not adopted from that batch of kittens we had on last week. Also, Dr. Jen Klabunde, thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
And you have a friend with you.
I do. I have a dog. This is a Newfoundland. He's 6, and his name is Duncan, and he has Lyme disease. So.
And that's what we're focusing on today. And this time of year, it's particularly relevant. And tell me why.
It is. The ticks are out. Now is their time to be out there and be active. Dogs are more active right now with hunting season, so they're going to be exposed to the deer ticks, which spread the Lyme disease, much more now so than other parts of the year.
And what are some of the symptoms? I mean, you know, why is this such a problem with dogs at the risk they're at? It
is, and it's here. It's here in Grand Traverse County, Benzie, Leland, all the surrounding counties are at a very high risk, but we actually have it here. We have it right here.
Yeah.
Symptoms are pretty, they can be pretty severe. And the problem with Lyme disease in pets is that cats can get it too, is that we can't cure it. So once they get it, it's with them forever. They have cyclical phases throughout the rest of their life of fever, joint swelling, joint pain and arthritis, lethargy, anorexia, so they don't want to eat. And less commonly, but still it can cause heart, kidney, and neurological problems.
Well, and I guess, which leads me to my next question. So how do you go about preventing this for your dog? Because right now, a lot of people with their companions, 4-legged companions out hunting in the woods.
Right.
What are some ways they can go about trying to protect their animal?
Well, the good news is that for dogs, we do have a vaccine, and that vaccine is highly effective. So if your dog is anywhere near deer at all, or tall grass, wooded areas, get them the Lyme vaccine. There is monthly tick preventions that you can use, and that's an excellent thing to do as well. But anytime your dog or cat or yourself comes in from outside of the woods, go ahead and do a body check, brush them off. If there are ticks, remove them.
And our friend here, he has Lyme disease.
Yeah.
Right now, see, what's amazing is you said that it's cyclical. So right now, you might not even know it right away, but some apparent signs can come. Does it shorten the lifespan of a dog? I mean, are there...
It can, especially if owners are seeing the arthritis and the joint pain and the swelling and thinking their pet's in pain, and then they put them down earlier. But yeah, if it goes to the heart, the kidneys, causes neurological problems, absolutely it can.
Well, Dr. Jen Klabunde, I want to thank you, as always, for coming in, sharing some good information with us. Of course, I would have to imagine if you have any concerns, probably the best thing to do, go right to your local veterinarian and make sure that your animal's taken care of. Want to thank our little special guests here, and also want to mention one more time, this little kitten right here, as long as I don't take her home with me, the only one that has not been adopted from last week's batch of kittens, looking for a home, 9 months old.
Already spayed.
Already spayed, so there you go. Beautiful little kitten here.